plan in the sphere. It consists of the first one is general characters of history development of linguistic typology, 4 periods and their peculiarities, 6 factors and their peculiarities, main parameters modifying the subject matter and branches of linguistic typology. So, what is the basic concepts of the subject? We can include in this main parameters, evolution, grammatical categories, areal limitations, and etc. Being an independent science, linguistic typology has its own periods of development. It's one of the unsolved and stipulated problems of modern linguistics because defining the periods of development of linguistic typology is closely connected with the history of general linguistics and especially with the development of mental ability of mankind. Therefore, in modern linguistics, there are no accepted criteria which may be taken as a basis for the classification. There exist different variants of periodization of linguistic typology, suggested by different linguists such as Professor Olkhovikov and others. But Professor Brown gives a clear and the most suitable classification in this sphere. He suggests the following 4 periods. The first period is characterized as evolutionary. It starts with the emerging of the primary linguistics works. This period lasted up to the Renaissance epoch. Among this period, we can name the Greek philosopher like Aristotle, Protagoras, and others distinguish the primary grammatical categories and Stoic secondary grammatical categories. All the grammar books of this period were based on the principles of analogy. The second period is characterized as a period of the definition of the language. The following fundamental works are specific for this period. In Indo-European languages, Fourth Royal Grammar. In Turkic language, Divan Lugattur, written by Mahmud Kashgari. Fourth Royal Grammar appeared in 7th century in France. The main point of this grammar is that the language structure is treated as a system. Mahmud Kashgari is tried to analyze a set of Turkic language from the point of view of their structure and determine the degree of their relationship. The third period, if we look of the history, it's of the history of development of linguistic philology, is related to with the appearance of comparative historical linguistics and the appearance of genealogical typological classification of languages. The first period is connected with scientific linguistic typology as an independent discipline. This period coincides with the 20th century, characterized by the division of linguistics typology in the different concert branches such as structural, genetic, areal, and comparative, and so on. The science about imitations, it means using the certain methods and models of language while studying the system of another language. Is the most ancient type of language description. For example, first Latin grammars were written on the basis of Greek grammars. Later on, many grammar books on different languages were written under the influence of this method. For example, Samuel Johnson, who wrote the English grammar, distinguished 6 cases in English under the influence of the Latin grammar. They are nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, locative, and ablative. Second factor is appearance of scientific works. In comparison, we played a great role in the future language descriptions. The third factor is connected with the process of studying unwritten and less known languages. The first factor is influence of translation. Translation is one of the ancient sciences of linguistics, which has its own history. While translating from one language into another language, linguists come across with certain process of compression of language systems. That's why some scholars and for example, Roger Ellis considers the translation of as one of the constituted part of the linguistic typology. The first factor is the influence of lexicography. While preparing different kinds of dictionaries, scholars at the same time compare the system of two or more related and non-related languages. So, dears, the lesson is over. It was a lot. Goodbye.